Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this fall makeup look. It was oranges, purples, browns, and yeah. Hope you guys like the video and please continue to watch.
Pass out ratchet, I keep it classy when it cash out, lashes, nails done, I be trying to act.
So I already filled in my brows. Can you see them? No, because of the banging. But in this video, we're not even gonna do the forehead. So what I did was I took the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 15 and I'm gonna carve out my brows with it. I cleaned my brushes today for this. And this is the most fall sweatshirt. Oh, I think that's a little bit too light. Oh god. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna... It's a gnat in my room. Just gonna carve out this side. If you see me swinging in the air, it's because a gnat got into my room. And I don't know how I feel about that. Because it's too light, as you can see, I'm gonna take the butterscotch concealer from Born This Way. No, Too Faced. Take it on the same brush, mix it in, I don't care. So we're gonna take the P. Louise, you know, the vibes, in the shade 0 to prime my lids. We want warm tones, darling. Warm tones. Just blending that out. We're not setting it. With the Boy palette by Morphe, and I'm going to take the darkest brown with this flat fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna start by packing that on my lid. But don't take it too high because we have other colors to blend it with. Take a Morphe M506 and we're gonna take the color Haul, like a haul, like a sheen haul, like a haul. And we're gonna blend out that dark brown with it. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lit. Y'all see that? I'm just blending it in. What is this? In 514, I'm gonna take the yellow shade Keen. Take some Vaseline. Oh god. What to do is like carve out like a liner, but it's it's gonna have like a negative space, and that negative space is gonna be like the brown. Oh my god. All right, so now that I carved it out, I'm gonna take some a cotton, what is this, a Q-tip with some myself, no, because it's too small, and I'm just gonna wipe away the Vaseline, y'all. If we need to, we'll just clean it up later. It's really not that big of a deal. Alright, so now you want to take another brush, take that brown that you used from the beginning, and just try to clean up the liner. Try to clean up the liner before you Fortune from the Stacey Marie palette, and just pat it on top of the yellow, the glitter that we're gonna add the glitter. Hopefully this works, because girl, she chunky. of rude. Okay, it's fixed. Top of the eye. This is the top of the eye, and then I'm gonna come back with this eye done, and then we're gonna put on lashes and then get to the face. All right, so my other eye is on, and what we're gonna do now is add my lashes. So it's just this pack off of Amazon. All right, lashes are on. All right, since we have like a bang today, we ain't gonna even worry about that. We just gonna hide it. I'm sorry about the bang and the hair. It was cuter than yesterday, but then I got lazy and just went to sleep on it. So yeah, but we gonna get some braids soon because child. And the shrinkage, honey, the shrinkage, like I find that very disrespectful, the way shrinkage does your girl dirty like that. Oh my god, I dug my nail into it. All right, oh my god, we're on to the face. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the, what is this? Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Oh, you heard that sound. All right. She looking a little bit unblended right now, but it's okay. We gonna blend her. All right, under eye. Well, I forgot you don't need a lot of this because she pigmented. I mean, she full coverage. Oh well. We gonna make her work. Oh my god. Now it's looking crazy like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the foundation brush and just blend out the side. What was that? Alright. Glitter in my hair, child. All right, so now beauty powder in the shade Butter. My eye. I'm gonna calm it down, but we just want to place the powder there before we melt it in. But now we're gonna take the what is this? The Makeup Evolution matte bronzer in the shade Dark. I'm back. So now we're gonna do the under eye. Okay, so for the under eye, I wanna go purple. It's being mischievous, darling. So I'm gonna take the shade Reckless. And now, next I'm going to take the shade Wasted. It's the purple right under it. And finally, I'm going to take the shade Keen, the yellow. And we're gonna put bottom mascara on. Like, we didn't do that, queen. In the corner, highlight. Using the shade Gold Luxe from the Stacey palette. So I hope you guys like this video. I kept the lip matte, my first matte lip. So yes, these are the eyes. The eyes are very, it was simple besides the liner. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram. All my information will be in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Much love and kisses. Much love and kisses. Girl, bye. Bye, guys. See you on the next video.